Okay, so in this tutorial, I'm going to go over preferences, right? So I want you to dial in these preference menu settings. Okay, so this is from the PDF guide that I created. As you can see, it's very thorough, step by step, pictures, highlighted everything that's important, blah, blah, blah. And so this is the follow-up video tutorial to complement the PDF guide. All right, so I opened up Maya. Everything is default. Okay, and this here is what it looks like. This PC documents Maya 2025 is the one I am using. The school also probably has that one. And then prefs folder. So 2025 prefs. And below that, 2025. Below that, or above that, Maya. So documents, blah, blah, blah. Maya, click, click. 2025, click, click. Prefs. And when you customize it, right now this is what we see, but there'll be more stuff and more data. And it's called Maya script files and some other things. So that's just your heads up. And when you create the prefs, you're also gonna save it, and you're gonna save it to your W drive, into your folder. So W drive, and into your folder on the W drive for our specific class. And I'll be checking them to see if you actually did it and actually watch the videos and follow through or not. Because see right here, this is the next page, or the third page regarding the press folder. Right, save a copy of it to the W drive. All right. Okay. I'll push this away. And move this out of the way. Go back to page 1. All right. Okay, so for the first part, here we are. All we're going to do is, you see this cube, right? This is the compass. And I'm going to just right click on it. Preferences. Real quick way. Okay. Next, under view cube size, set to large. Okay. And every time you do that, I'm just gonna hit save, and boom, see how much bigger it got? If you notice here, press folder, we have more stuff, blah 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 blah, like this and something something. Okay, next, number 3, display preferences. So display, we'll go back over here, right click on it, preferences, and display origin axis. So what that means is, this is the center of the 3D world. I'm going to click on origin axis. This will help new learners, and it's helpful in general, especially when you're first learning, and later I'll explain why. So display origin axis, view, blah blah. So we're good, and I'm just gonna hit save. Step number 4, manipulators preferences. So same thing, I'm gonna right click preferences. From there, manipulators, right? Zoom in a bit. Manipulator size, set it to 2, global scale. Handle size, set it to 50. Line size, set it to 3. line line pick size, set it to 3. And then down here, manipulator plane handles, set it to 100. Now hit save. Looks like nothing happened, but just be alright. And then from there, I'm going to go to the next page. Alright, next page. It's gonna be animation preferences. Okay, so animation preferences. So again, right click, preferences. So animation. We'll just turn on the auto key. This is for later on when you start to learn to animate. Next, time slider. Where's my time slider? Right, way down here. Time slider is way down here. Okay. And then this one, 24 frames per second. Set this to 240 and 240. And this is critical for your last final projects that involve animation. Very important. As well as your playback. This is ultra important. You have no idea how many students blew up their project because they did not set this, even though I told them not to. Even though I told them to set it. And then I have to come in and help salvage their project. Alright, so all update view. Continuous. Alright. And that's it for that one. Hit save. Okay, and close it out. Alright, the last page. Okay, so regarding the last page, the press folder, you're gonna save a copy of it onto the W drive, specifically the W drive, Anom 2300, and whatever class you're in, whether it be 001, 002, or 003, and then your folder. So every class is gonna have your own specific folder where you'll be saving things into it. So that's what's gonna happen, right? So this is where you find it, like I mentioned before. Like this PC, documents, Maya 2025, prefs. You notice it's all in here. Okay. And I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna select my prefs. I'm gonna do Control C to copy it, or you right click, copy it, and I'm just gonna save it to my desktop. Okay, for now. And then from there, I'm just saving it there temporarily. And you also, well, this is my laptop, so I don't have access to the W drive right now. But then you're gonna go into your W drive and you're gonna copy and paste it into your W drive, into your specific folder, and that's what you're gonna do. And that's it. Right, that is your assignment for this specific tutorial, and I will check for it. Okay, other thing before I go is that if anything goofy happens to your Maya, right? Let's say something's happened and your folder or just the tools especially, it just starts to act up and some crazy stuff happens and it's hard to fix. You try to reset it in here, which I showed in another video, and it still goofs up and it's infuriating. Trust me, it's infuriating. And this is where what you can do is to go back here, Documents, Maya 2025, Prefs. You can delete your Prefs folder. So I can select it, I can delete it, and it doesn't matter, it's fine. And then if I were to, but then I'd have to close Maya. Okay, so pretend I close Maya. Well, I'm gonna close it right now. And then let's say, since I saved it at the desktop, right here, pretend this was the W drive. You copy it, go to Documents, Maya 2025. Oh, it's still here. Right. Okay, I deleted it. And then you can paste it. And this is the custom prefs. And when you fire up Maya again, it'll be restored to the pristine condition before things got goofed up. That's the other reason why you want to have a saved prefs folder saved somewhere else, because you can just delete the prefs folder in Maya and it'll be clean default factory, no glitches whatsoever. But then if you have your prefs folder saved somewhere else and you bring it, then you're good to go straight from there. You don't have to do all these steps again, among other things. So that's the assignment for this. Save and copy the prefs folder into your W drive that has the customizations. Like you'll notice these kind of things, and I'll also be checking the date to see that it was actually done. Alright, so that's it.